Welcome to Rakshasila Holistics. Now we will see how the love energies are for Gemini this week. We had a lunar eclipse just yesterday, so there will be lot of confusions and turbulences and mental ups and downs this week for you, because moon is the planet which causes lot of mental agitation and mental harmony will be lacked. At the same time, sometimes it will make you very joyful, overwhelming with happiness. And this eclipse has happened with the axis of Venus Taurus, so it will have its impact on love life for every zodiac. That is compulsory. Now we will see what the universe has to say about your love life this week. You have got the card quote, act from your innate wisdom. Now, whatever the circumstances be, whatever it seems to be, whatever you feel to be, but you give importance to your intuition, whatever you're thinking, your wisdom, your knowledge says, hear to your inner voice. Don't see up from outside and take a decision. You should go very deep into the subject and think about it 1 and 10 and 100 times about it before taking any decision, because it says that you have to take decision. It is very important for you. And the other card the universe is sending for you is sheep. Act with fortitude and cooperation. You should be very much you should not lack fortitude, and you should be with cooperation with your mind, body and soul. What your mind, body and soul says, you have to cooperate with it. You have to cooperate with your mind, you have to cooperate with your heart, and also cooperate with your partner in this time. And you should take decisions which are going to help you. You have got a goat card and the sheep card. It is a very rare sequence of getting such card. And now we will see what the tarot card have in store for you this week. For your past, I will take out a card. We will see what it is going to tell. It says that Three of Pentacles. So Three of Pentacles says that you are in a very comfortable position. You are very much appreciated by your partner. Your partner is very much loving and affectionate towards you. He is willing to leave his family. He is willing to leave everything for you, and he is willing to sacrifice himself for the sake of you. You are in such a situation now, and your partner feels that you are the most important thing for him in his life. And the present thing says that Four of Cups, but you don't like it. You feel that he should not do such thing. He should not sack, because his parents or her parents are not willing for the marriage or not willing for the affair. He is rebelling towards them, and he is giving importance to you, and he or she wills to give everything to you, your partner. You don't feel good for it. You feel that you will be blamed for it, and it is not the correct way to do. You want that an amicable solution should come here, so that later on you should not feel that you are the person who made differences in his life. So you think that way. And now Temperance card has come. This Temperance card says that thinking that way is good. In what you think is ethical, but if you stick to that, things will not go ahead. What you think is fine, what you think is correct, it is fine, but a balance should be maintained. Thinking that will pull you back more and more. It will make you that you are surrounded by your thoughts and not able to come out of the problem. You should start accepting your partner how he is. Don't think beyond. The chariot says that two ways are in front of you. A way says that your life is important for you, you have to accept him, and another mind says that no, his family is more important for him, so you have to give importance for his family. But it's not like that. You try to accept him so the relation goes fast and you can get improvement and a committed relationship. And future says that four of wands has come, so you will finally make it out that you will accept your partner, and there is going to be wedlock for you, or some good news coming your way, committed relationship taking into a form of marriage or engagement. Something is there in store for you. And you have got the hermit card, but again in your heart you will feel that, am I doing wrong? He is proposing for marriage, he is ready for, or she is, your partner is ready for marriage, but I think that this situation is not correct. I should not go for a committed relationship when everybody is against this. This thought will again and again come in your mind and pull you back. You will feel that being, instead of entering into a relationship which is like this, I can be alone, that will give me more happiness. And King of Pentacles says that you will get some person in your life who will give you good advice and who will make things happen in your favor, things happening in your way. Some person between you and their family may come up and guide you in this relationship so that you can take correct decision. And King of Wands, so definitely this relationship is going to work out and you will enter into a committed relationship with your partner. That's what this King of Wands says. And we will see what is the conclusion message you have got from the universe. Your love will be reciprocated. You will, because your partner, this has come for your partner, not for you. It says that your partner's love will be reciprocated by you. You will also start reciprocating your partner's love, and the future ahead will be very good for you. Enjoy, guys. If you like this video, kindly like it, share it, and subscribe it.